This is free EPS topic course. Please subscribe and like my channel. 안녕하세요. 콜라TV입니다. Hello everyone. Welcome to KOLA TV. Are you ready to study with me? Let's begin.
Lesson 5 Hangul, Korean alphabet. Today's topic is about final consonant. Final consonants are the consonants found at the bottom of the word. On our previous lesson on consonants, we've learned that there are 19 consonants. All consonants can be used as final consonant except for sang digut, sang piup, and sang chiut, and pronounced in 7 ways. When these three consonants is used as final consonant, the sound is K. When this is used as final consonant, the sound is N. When these 7 are used as a final consonant, the sound will be T. When this consonant is used as final consonant, the sound is M. When these two consonants are used as final consonant, the sound is P. When this consonant is found as final consonant, the sound is L. When this consonant is used as final consonant, the sound is NG. That makes the total of 7 final consonants. Now, let's have some examples. We have consonant G with vowel A, final consonant K. That makes the word gak, kak, kak. Kan, kan, kan. Kat, kat, kat. Kam, kam, kam. Kap, kap, kap. Kal, kal, kal. Kang, kang, kang.
Thank you for watching KOLA TV. See you on next clip. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.